Have you ever noticed how your feet seem to stay dry, no matter how much lotion you pump out of a bottle? You apply it in the morning, and by noon, your heels feel like sandpaper again. Don't worry, you aren't doing it wrong. You are just fighting a losing battle against anatomy. The skin on the soles of our feet is completely different from the skin on the rest of our bodies. It is up to 10 times thicker, designed to withstand thousands of pounds of pressure every single day. More importantly, your feet have absolutely zero sebaceous glands. Those are the tiny glands that produce sebum, your body's natural moisturizing oil. Because your feet can't oil themselves, they rely entirely on external moisture. When you use standard lotions, you're mostly applying water mixed with a few binders. That water evaporates quickly into the air, leaving your thick skin just as parched as before. To truly fix dry, cracked heels, we have to change the strategy. We need to introduce heavy, nutrient-dense oils that can actually penetrate that tough exterior and seal the moisture inside. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of oil should you use? Not all oils are created equal when it comes to rough skin. If you want something incredibly deep penetrating, look for jojoba oil. Jojoba is technically a liquid wax, and its molecular structure is almost identical to human sebum. Because of this, the tough skin on your feet recognizes it instantly and pulls it deep into the lower layers. Another phenomenal choice is sweet almond oil. It is packed with vitamin E and zinc, which work wonders for repairing deep, painful cracks. If you prefer a thick, heavy barrier, good old-fashioned virgin coconut oil or even extra virgin olive oil from your kitchen will do the trick. Coconut oil is highly antimicrobial, which is an added bonus for foot health because it fights off the bacteria and fungi that thrive in warm shoes. Whichever oil you pick, ensure it is 100% pure and free of synthetic fragrances, which can irritate open cracks. Once you have chosen your oil, the secret lies entirely in how and when you apply it. If you slather oil onto bone-dry feet, you will just end up with greasy feet that are still dry underneath. Oil itself doesn't add hydration, it locks it in. The absolute best time to do this routine is right after a warm shower or bath. While you're in the shower, the warm water softens the thick dead skin layers and floods them with moisture. When you step out, do not rub your feet completely dry with a towel. Instead, gently pat them down so they are still slightly damp. Take a generous amount of your chosen oil and pour it into your palms. Rub your hands together to warm the oil up and then massage it firmly into your feet. Spend an extra 30 seconds working the oil into your heels, the balls of your feet, and even around your cuticles. By massaging it into damp skin, you are effectively trapping all that water inside your skin cells before it has a chance to evaporate. Now for the final, most crucial step, the overnight lock. If you walk around barefoot right after applying oil, you will wipe it all off on your rugs or floors, leaving a messy trail and zero results. Immediately after massaging the oil in, slide on a pair of clean, thick cotton socks. Cotton is essential here because it allows your skin to breathe while keeping the oil trapped against your feet. Avoid synthetic materials like polyester, which can trap sweat and cause irritation. Wear these socks to bed and let the oil do its heavy lifting while your body is resting and repairing itself overnight. When you wake up the next morning and slip those socks off, you will notice an immediate difference. Your skin will look plump, the cracks will look less pronounced, and your heels will feel incredibly soft to the touch. Repeat this simple routine 3 nights a week, and you will never have to hide your feet again.